Hello and welcome back to Quick Fix. Today we're working on a Honda Accord late 90s, early 2000s. And this car did not want to start. It's not my car. I met it in my driveway and it didn't want to start, so I helped the owner get it started and I'm supposed to take it to them. But before I take it to them, I want to show you what the common cause of these Honda Accords not starting. First, we're going to open the hood and you can see the engine, but let's close this door to turn this noise off. Okay, so we're going to check the fuse box. Yeah, my dog escaped, so I had to catch it.
Why are you running the wall?
And we're giving the dog back in.
Yeah, thank you.
Now that the dog is inside, we'll go back to check the fuse because the fuse is the main cause of this issue. The issue of it not starting is I think a 50 amp fuse, this red one right here. You're going to check it. As you can see, there's a metal copper wire in the middle because I jumped it and that's how the car was started. But that's just a temporary solution. You can check on this diagram to see what exactly the fuse does. But it's a main fuse, it's a battery fuse. So what we'll do is after checking this diagram is go and buy a new fuse. And I already have that, so I'm going to remove this one that is jumped by this copper wire so it doesn't cause problems in the future. Now I have the new fuse in the car. As you can see, 50 amps and it looks the same, but this one is longer than the OEM. So what you're going to have to do is cut this fuse so it can fit. But I did not cut it in this video because the owner of the car wanted it and it was getting dark. I did not think to make this video earlier, so I improvised by just removing this one and I shoved the new one in there, making sure that it was fitting properly enough to get the car started and that the ground points on this fuse were in contact. So everything should be fine. As you can see, if you try to put it, it won't fit. And I got this fuse specifically from AutoZone. So AutoZone sells this, but you might have to take scissors and cut the ends. As you can see, it's just a little bit longer. Maybe just cut one side. So what I'm going to do is just bend it and then push it down with the screwdriver. Push it down just like that. Now with this other side, I make sure to line it up with the screw hole so I can put one screw in and then I will leave the other screw on the other side for in case the fuse happens to go again, the next person that works on it can find all the screws. Okay, I did it off camera, but I'll show you this one doesn't have a screw. I just pushed it down to make contact and then I put the screw in the other one. And now we're going to start the car. And you can see it starts very quick. The starter engages very fast because that new fuse was just nice. that's basically the first thing you should check before I would check the battery and then check the fuses. Don't forget to put the screw back if you did it the way I did it, so the next person can find it. Just like that. And that's all. Well, thank you for watching Quick Fix. I'm working on new videos. Like, share, subscribe, and comment, and hit the bell